What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Y'all know what to do. All right, today is day 17. Day 17. Dang, we're breezing through these days. I got 13 more days.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, so we got some gabapentin for the nerve. We got some caffeine, ultra vice guava. I told you guys it's the best flavor. I know it's probably not the best idea to take pills with. They say don't take it with anything but water, but we're trying to get up and ready for the gym. We have leg day today, 7:30 with a gentleman from the shop. So it's gonna be a rough one. Last week, y'all seen what happened. We had Davey throwing up all over the Crunch parking lot, and if you don't remember, I'll play a clip right now.
Let it out. No, you ain't. Come on, let it out. Come on, David, let it out. There's nothing in there.
Now that we're back, I hope that's not me today, but hopefully what we're looking for is improved strength, more weight to be lifting, and yeah, just overall good time. Try to get some footage of the guys, maybe get them to talk. I don't know, we'll see. But other than that, we got work today. Our first appointment's at 10 a.m. Got church tonight. Gonna play the guitar. Gonna go be plucking the old strings. And also, if you pan the camera over to this older boy right here, it is his last day of school. Today, he's gonna say goodbye to all his third grade buddies. And are you sad or you happy?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why?
Because I kind of want to stay, but mostly I just want to leave.
So he's gonna leave because it just is easier for the family. Because your grandma and grandpa are coming into town, so it'd be nice of you to spend time with them and not be at school. So plus you guys get good grades, and it's really neat for you guys to be there. So other than that, my daughter's wearing sandals with pink socks and a pink shirt. I don't think it really goes together, but what do I know? I'm old. Let's get to the gym. So we got the boss man in here. Ecstasy. We're doing calf raises today. Got legs. He loves the camera. He's just not on the vlog a lot. So I haven't been vlogging at the shop. We're going to start vlogging a little bit more. Get some more content. But I got him mic'd up today. I want to ask him some questions because my boys dropped a significant amount of weight within the past 2 years. And I have to put up an old picture of us. Me, Luis, we're at a barber battle a couple years ago. And there's this picture that I've seen that's like super, all of us is pretty big. So for you, do you think that doing it slow and steady has helped you to maintain more consistency? It's better than like doing something like balls to the wall real quick?
I mean, I feel like it has, but just because I feel like I only did it like that too, because it's just been a learning process, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't know what balls to the wall meant. But I mean, I don't know. I feel like
I feel like balls to the wall.
Stuff.
Balls to the wall is like just something drastic, kind of like what I'm trying to do in 30 days.
Yeah. Like
some people,
fasting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never done all that. Like, I've lowered my calories little by little, and then just learned stuff from different people along the way, and just try different stuff and see what worked best for me, because everybody's body is different, you know?
Yeah. Like who did you have a motivation to like start trying to get right, or what brought you to that point?
Yeah, I mean, my kids, you know?
There you go.
Really my kids, and just the doctors, you know? Live reality checks, health reality checks, high blood pressure, cholesterol, borderline diabetic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, all that stuff. That's really a health scare is what did it, you know?
I didn't know that. Well, I didn't know it's a lot of that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and I feel like I would always tell myself like I didn't want it to get to that point to where I had to do it because of a doctor, but I mean that's what it took, you know?
Yeah. We live a busy life as barbers, and I feel like it just gets tough because you get so used to, oh, I'm just gonna pick up food. I'm just gonna go eat out at lunch.
Oh yeah, I remember eating Whataburger at least twice a week at work.
Yeah.
Shit, I haven't had Whataburger like in 6 months now. I miss it though. That patty melt's calling my name.
That's crazy. Oh, yesterday my mom was asking, she's like, when you guys go on vacation, are you guys gonna still continue to do what you're doing?
Yeah.
And I was like, honestly, probably, yeah. Like, probably not cut carbs, but actually watch calorie intake though.
But like at least that's good, you know? Like when I went to San Antonio this last a couple weeks ago, like I only went to the gym like once, I think, but I was trying to watch what I eat.
Yeah.
Real easy to just start snacking and eat a bunch of junk food, you know?
Yeah. What advice would you give to somebody who's trying to drop weight, if they're a barber?
You're a barber? Man, I wouldn't even know where to start, you know? I mean, really just, don't give up, you know? Like, I mean, it's like you said in your video, like it's easy to always have an excuse.
Yeah.
I mean, I had an excuse for like 10 years because I knew I wanted to do this and I still wouldn't come.
Yeah.
Dig deep, you know? You gotta, I mean, you ask yourself how much you really want it, because, I mean, a lot of us think that making more money in the shop, being there all day is, you know, where it's at, but eventually you realize really health is where it's at, because, I mean, if you ain't healthy, you ain't gonna make money that long.
Yeah, that's true.
So, I mean, if you take time and, you know, fix your health, I feel like you're gonna make money for a longer time. I mean, and at that, you're gonna feel good doing it, you know, and compared to how I was and how I felt, I'm like, I was almost 300 pounds, bro, working, you know, trying to do 12 appointments, 15 appointments. And now it's like, I feel better. And I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm doing less, but I'm doing the same, but I don't get out of work as tired. My legs ain't always hurting. Like, I feel way better, you know?
That was what I was gonna get to, but you answered the question, like, how has it affected you working? And you answered that, so
yeah,
I think that's good.
No, I feel like it's helped a lot, you know, like, I feel like, I don't know if it's endurance or what it is, like, but I feel like it doesn't hurt as much to stand longer.
Yeah.
I mean, I just feel good mentally, physically, you know, like, it's helped a lot, you know, like, in other areas of my life too, you know, like, no, I feel way more positive, you know. So I was telling my wife, like, I feel like once you get in here, like, you don't realize it, but you get, you know, mental toughness, like, it does mental stuff before it does anything physical, you know?
Yeah.
And then after that, well, it's just, it helps with everything else, you know?
Last question while Davey finishes his is, how much weight have you dropped from when you first started to now?
When I first started, is when I got that health scare. So the heaviest I seen it on the scale was 285. And last week I weighed in at 201.
Dang. So that's like 84 pounds in 2 years.
2 years.
That's good.
And
that's good.
all of last year, I feel like I was pretty stagnant. Like, I feel like all of last year I was like at 230.
Yeah.
And like I was just like, you know, practicing different stuff or trying different stuff. And I don't know, like, I just felt like I hit a plateau. Like, I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
And then this year I started tracking my calories. What is that thing called? My fitness pal?
Fitness pal.
So I started tracking, and I did like a major calorie deficit. And what's this year? I've lost 30 pounds.
That's good, bro.
Since January.
Just heavy this part.
How's your legs, Davey?
Feel good.
You
Nice and smooth.
can throw up today?
Heck no.
I'll see you boys at the shop. Just got out of the gym. We're back home. The little girl is awake, and she's about to go to the gym. Ready to go to the gym? Or you want to eat first?
Eat first.
Okay, you're gonna eat. What are you gonna eat?
Rice.
What else?
Eggs.
Eggs
And bacon.
and bacon. What do you tell Mama?
Thank you, Mama. Oh, I put it in.
Wrong chair. There we go. There's your little seat. 3 eggs, 4 bacon, 2 tortillas, and I'll leave the nutrition facts somewhere, probably right here, so you guys can see that. Then we'll get to the shop. Before I get to the shop, I want to show you guys. Look at this. That looks so good. All that rice and soy sauce. Is it delicious? Jordy, make sure you eat over your plate. There you go. Such a big girl. Time for another baby or no? You want mom and dad to have another baby, or you want to be the last baby?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all, we're at work. Let's do a little bit of a drip check here. We got the Hundreds t-shirt with the green bandana looking shorts. We got a Pirates snapback to go with the fit. And last but not least, we got the yellow and black dunks with the white socks. You see the shorts, you see the shirt, you see the hat. Let's get to work. So my first one is a no call, no show. So I'm going to edit this vlog a little bit and also edit a reel and utilize that time positively. So let's get to some editing. So I got done editing, and I'm going to show you what I came up with, and I posted it on Instagram. So I'm going to show you that in this next frame so you guys can see what I was working on as well as the vlog I was working on. And I posted it on IG today. Was going to say, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @jblends_. If you're not following me, you're messing up, because I do giveaways and stuff on there. I do all types of stuff on my Instagram. That's where I am able to converse with a large amount of people that follow me. So if you're not following me, go follow me at @jblends_. Listen up, y'all. 3 red flag clients you need to watch out for. Barbers, if I'm lying, say something. Number 1, the ghost booker. Bro books the appointment, doesn't show up, and then hits you up like, my bad fam, I overslept. Nah, you slept on yourself and you wasted a spot someone could have occupied. Number 2, the fade critic. Ain't been to barber school a day in his life, but he got all the suggestions for mid fades like he got a master's degree in blendology at the International Fade University of America. Come on, bro. Number 3, Mr. Right Now. Hits you talking, yo, you got time real quick? Bro, it's 3 p.m. on Saturday, not a drive-thru. You think you can just pull up and order a McBlurry like I'm Ronald McDonald? Stop clowning around, my boy. Barbers, protect your peace, know the red flags, and don't ignore them just because you're scared to say no. Not all money is worth the stress. This is your local Clipper therapist signing off. Stay blessed, stay booked, and stay crisp. Caught a little lunch break, so we got a Gatorade Zero and some pork skins. So gonna eat some of those, and I'll put the calories up here of the snack, and then get to some more haircuts. Just got done with my day, y'all. Headed to the crib. Gonna iron some clothes and get to church, set up the sound if it's not already set up. I also got an Amazon package that I gotta open for the guitar at church, because it's an electric acoustic, so it takes 9-volt batteries, and they've been dying like crazy. So I went and ordered 4 9-volt batteries with a charger that charges all 4 batteries, so that way we have one on deck before every service, so we don't run into problems. Because this past Sunday, the battery went out like right before the set even started, and I didn't want the sound guy like to have to run on stage, so I just told him like, don't even worry about it, bro. So I played, but you couldn't hear nothing through the monitor or the mains. So now we fixed that issue. So these 4 batteries with the charger I got on Amazon for like $27, which is not bad at all. So we'll see how they work tonight. Well, probably not tonight because there's still a battery in the guitar. So when this battery dies on the guitar, we're gonna see how these batteries work out for that. But let's get changed and let's get to church. So here is the batteries like I was telling y'all earlier about. We just got to church, running late, but let me open this before we go inside. All this paper for one little box. So here is the battery pack thing, lasting power, 9-volt. There's the 4 batteries, and then the charging base at the bottom. So hopefully this solves the battery issue. But let's go plug them in.
Oh, you already did. You already opened it.
Ah, but then I opened the plastic. You could plug them in. Hopefully these work. They're $26. Just another shameless plug if you're in the Amarillo area and you need a car.
Call me.
I'll leave his phone number
Right here.
right here.
On the right side.
Well, the number to the shop. I don't know if he wants to give his real phone number out.
My phone number's getting out. Sorry, guys.
Does it work?
Oh, it's odd.
I thought that was a double-sided extension cord.
It is, but I don't have another.
Oh, it didn't come with a box, huh? That sucks.
If you'd have spent the $30, we would have got a box.
I wonder if they pay for Amazon reviews.
This is cool, Nico.
600 milliamps. It's really not a lot. Well, isn't it? It kind of is. Batteries and clippers have like 2,800 to 3,100 milliamps.
That's a lot.
Oh, it's charging. I see red.
Dude, we're onto something.
There it
Nico.
is. So
Did you buy these
now,
off of Wish?
no, Temu. Now I think we just wait till it's green. We'll wait till after service and see if they charge up.
Should we throw this away or should we keep it just in case?
Keep it just in case. It's Amazon.
Throws it away.
That, my friend. Whoa, I got you on the vlog looking like full-on substitute right now. No, that's for the guitar. The one that's always going dead.
Yeah.
The one that Andrew never replaces on time enough. The one where I was playing the other day and I had no sound coming out of it.
Yeah.
Not to point any fingers.
Just wasn't loud enough.
Every guitar player has pics in their wallet.
That's right.
Prove me wrong. So on the guitar, this is where the 9-volt battery goes. What's good, y'all? We are at a church and we are on the Blackstone again, making some chicken. And I'm spreading out this Kerrygold butter on here. And then we're gonna throw the chicken on there to cook. So there's the chicken, there's the grill, so the meat on. So there we have the meat on the grill there. I'm gonna let that cook. Try to finish editing this video now and get it uploaded probably before the dinner's done. So y'all see what we had, are the calories and all that stuff for tonight's dinner tomorrow. But it's the same thing as last night. But I'm gonna include it anyway, just to keep that accountability. But got nothing going on tonight. Eat, wind down, and then tomorrow gym early in the morning with my wife. And that'll do it for tonight. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share and post notifications. And until next time, God bless.